Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the per app settings on your iPhone. So go to the accessibility tab here, scroll down until you find per app settings. So for instance, you want to customize just like the Notes app. For instance, you want the text to be larger here, you can adjust it here. You can also reset font size to default down here. You can also adjust the button shapes here. You can make the text bolder. You can increase the contrast, differentiate without color, and you can even smart invert just on the app. And that is how you can adjust the per app settings on your iPhone. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!